Decided a card isn't for you? Canceling an Amex card is straightforward, but you should do it strategically to protect your credit score and points. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The only official way is to call the number on the back of your card. Speak to a representative. They may try to retain you with a retention offer, a points bonus or statement credit to keep the card. It's okay to ask if any offers are available. Before you call, pay off your entire balance and redeem or transfer out any membership rewards points earned on that card if it's your only points earning Amex. My crucial pro tip: consider a downgrade instead of a cancellation. Ask if you can downgrade to a no annual fee Amex card, like the Amex Everyday card. This keeps your account history open, which is good for your credit score, and preserves your access to membership rewards points. Make an informed decision when closing a financial account. Have you ever taken a retention offer? What did they offer you? For more guides on managing your credit portfolio, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.